I've got a question with me where we need to construct trapezium ABCD. So you can see we've been given the measurements. Here they've said AD is equal to 10 centimeters, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, AD is equal to 7 centimeters, angle ABC is 60 degrees, and angle BAD is 90 degrees. So the first thing here, we start with the length AB. So for the length AB, it would of course be done here. It's in centimeters, it's 10 centimeters. So we can just do this, get our ruler, and then do 10 centimeters. It's up to here. This is our 10 centimeters. So we can say that this is A and this is B. The next thing that we're going to do here is to measure this angle. Angle ABC. So angle ABC is 60 degrees. We get our protractor. Of course, we go to where 60 is, 60, and put it straight like this. So 60 degrees is right over here. This is where 60 degrees is. So we can do a very faint line here, very faint line. So it will be like this. Okay, so this is where 60 degrees is. Okay. The next angle that we're going to do, it's angle BAD. So BAD, it's 90 degrees. So we follow the letter which is in between. That's what it tells us, or it tells us where the position where the angle is supposed to be. So 90 is right here. We also do the same, a faint, very faint line here. So it will be like this. Okay, so we've done those two faint lines. Now we measure where C and D are. So BC is 8 centimeters. BC 8 centimeters. We get our ruler, and where 8 centimeters is supposed to be somewhere here. We do this. Okay, so measure 8 centimeters, and then you go to that point. This is a point we are talking about, and then you cut. So we know that C is right here. This is the point C. And then we can do a faint line. A bold line now. So this is a line. We even indicate that this is 60 degrees. Okay. Next thing is to measure AD. So AD is 7 centimeters. We get our compass, of course, and then measure where 7 centimeters is from here. So from here up to right here, this is 7 centimeters. So we do this, we go to this point, and then cut like that. So we now know that our D is right over here. This is where D is. Okay, so indicate and do a bold line like that. We can now join this to show the trapezium. So join these 2 points. So we formed our trapezium. So we can even show that this is 90 degrees by putting this side. So we're done with the question 1. The other thing of importance here is to put the measurements. This is 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. Let me erase. Write 8 centimeters. So I know, of course, that this side it's 8 centimeters. So we can even use a pen. This is 8 centimeters. And then this is 7 centimeters. Well, this is 10 centimeters. This is 60 degrees angle and 90 degrees angle. So the next question here, they are saying measure and write down the length of CD. So CD is right here. This is CD. So you get your ruler, of course. You measure the normal measuring put your ruler here and there. This is 6 centimeters. You can see from here to here it's 6 centimeters. So we can write 6 centimeters. And after we write 6 centimeters, we even indicate that question B here is what? It's 60 centimeters. Or you say D or C, D is equal to 60 centimeters. It's okay. So we now go to the next question. Within the trapezium A, B, C, D, draw a locus of points which are 2 centimeters from CD. So CD is here. So that 2 centimeters, the way you're going to do it, you get your compass and measure 2 centimeters. So you can see this is my compass and the ruler. I measure 2 centimeters. So of course 2 centimeters will be from this point to this point. You can see this is my 2 centimeters. So now I'm going to come to any point. If I want, I can come from to here. So let me turn my paper so that we see what I'm talking about. So I know that this is a CD. I can come here or at whichever point, for as long as it's along this line CD. So I'll come at this point. I'm going to do this, and then here also I'm going to do that, because I know that from here to here it's 2 centimeters. From here to here it's 2 centimeters. And then I get my ruler, go straight to the top parts of these arcs. So the top parts of these arcs, you can see, that's where you do your line, okay? So this is what we wanted, like that, okay? So even indicate that this is question what? Question C2. So this is question C1. Is it C1? Yeah, C1. Okay. We go to the next one. 9 centimeters from B. So 9 centimeters from B. And what you need to know, if they are giving you a length like this, 2 centimeters from CD, meaning you need to, it's supposed to be at whichever point, it's supposed to be 2 centimeters like this. Can you see? 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, you can see. But where they've just mentioned one letter, meaning go to that letter which they've mentioned. So that's 9 centimeters. So you get your ruler, of course, and a compass. This is what will help us. And then measure 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters will be from here up to somewhere here. This is 9 centimeters, okay? So you go to point B. This is point B. Then you do your locus like this. This is a 9 centimeters we're talking about, meaning from here to this 9, at whichever point it's 9 centimeters. So you also indicate that this is a C2, okay? The next question here, they're saying equidistant from AB to AD. So equidistance, you follow the letter which has been mentioned, that's A, which is common, meaning go to point A, and then you make a line which is equal this side and that side. And to do this, you don't need to measure anything. Just go to point A and open the compass, any distance, any length, okay? Any length. So you do this, you cut on this line and this line like that. When you cut like that, you come and bisect using now these points, the cuts that you've made. So open the compass more than the half, okay, of these two arcs. So you can put your compass here, and then you cut like this, an arc there, and also form an arc this other side like this, okay? So now the line is passing through this point here, okay, from A. So you can do the thing there. So it will be like this. This is the line we are talking about. Though I've missed a bit. I've just missed a bit. It's not supposed to be like this. Just a bit. Just a bit. Okay, let me control it. Hopefully you see. But you need to erase. Okay, I'll leave it like this. At least you've gotten some ideas. It's supposed to be right here. So I've just missed a bit. Okay, let me just erase. It won't look good. Let me just erase this so that you see. That's why they encourage us to use what? A pencil. In case you make a mistake, the point is here, and the line will pass right over here. Let me see if I'll manage to, my ruler is not okay. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah, that's why I missed it. There's one side which is not okay. Yeah, so it's supposed to, you see the way the line passes through the point and here. This is how it's supposed to be. So now you can even say that this is question C3. Question C3. And the last question here, they're saying a point E is within a trapezium ABCD is such that it is greater than or equal to 2 centimeters. So you get this point 2 centimeters from CD. So it's greater than or equal to. So the point must be greater. This is a 2 centimeters from CB or CD. CD. So it's supposed to be up here. Greater or equal to. Greater or equal to is supposed to be here. Because this is less, we are coming from this and then going, so the point must be above this line, so this side. And then less than or equal to 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters from here to here, 9 centimeters. So it must be less or equal to. You see this line? This. And then here they're saying nearer to AD than AB. So AB is here, AD is here. So it's supposed to be nearer. So you see this line, it's the one which is demarcating where AB and where AD is. So this line is what is giving us the point. So the point must be up here. So it's supposed to be greater for this line, it's supposed to be less for this line, and it's supposed to be nearer this side. So the E is supposed to be right here. This is where E is. So indicate by shading where E lies. So this is what we're going to do. You write your letter E there, and then you shade nicely to show that this is the region we are talking about. So this is how you get to answer an exam question like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the video, subscribe.